Good morning, good morning, good morning. So good morning, y'all, and welcome back to another video. So if you're new to the channel, I'm Jaleesa. I have 3 kids, Carmen, Cairo, and Brooklyn. And Carmen is not here right now. She at my sister's house, but it's me and my 3 kids. And I basically post videos based on our daily life, post fun stuff, vlogs, all that in between. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join us. So yes, y'all, right now I'm about to clean up.
Yeah.
So right now we're about to do some cleaning. It's like stuff everywhere. It's not too bad, but we got to get the house together, okay? And I also need to go to the store to get a few things to kind of restock the house with, like tissue, paper towels, stuff like that. So I need to do that. My bed is full of clothes that needs to be folded up. So I've kind of been procrastinating for like the past week.
Mama, I know how to clean up.
Huh?
I know how to clean up.
You know how to clean up?
Yeah.
So I kind of been procrastinating this past week. Every time I wash clothes, I never fold them. I just throw them in the corner somewhere, and they just been piling up. So I need to get them folded. Hey. So yeah, I need to get these clothes folded up ASAP. What else? Come here.
Look.
What?
Look.
What? What's that? Oh, your hair? I'm trying to get him some dreads. But I gotta take the rubber bands out. They said I got to take the rubber bands out or it's gonna break his hair off. I'm about to start him some dreads, y'all. But what I was about to say, oh yeah, I got to fold up clothes, clean my room a little bit. Kids' room need to be clean. I don't never show y'all the kids' room because that room is always horrible.
Mama, it's clean.
It's clean.
Yeah.
Got to restock on tissue, paper towels. I need to do a little bit of grocery shopping for the week. Got to restock on some groceries. I need to clean out my refrigerator.
Yeah.
And I want to get some stuff to put in these, kind of restock little candy jars. I'll probably do some cookies. I don't know what I'm going to put in them, but I need to refill these, put some stuff in there. I need to write my calendar in, so I need to do that. So yeah, I basically just need to get some things done around the house to kind of reset a little bit. Did y'all put this window all the way up?
No.
Who did this?
You did.
I did not do that. I opened it a little bit, and y'all did the rest. But yeah, that's pretty much what we about to do. All right, y'all, so I'm done folding clothes. Now I'm about to throw my blanket and my sheets in the washer because they need to be washed. The kids got crumbs all in the bed, so I need to wash my sheets and my blanket. I found the dollar while I was folding clothes. I wish it was more than that, but it's cool. Huh?
Oh, he died. So, hey, got my car. But he's so. I'm gonna show y'all.
All right, y'all, so it's a little later on in the day. I didn't even finish my little reset that I was supposed to do this morning. I didn't even finish it, y'all. So I think I ended up folding my clothes. I washed my sheets, and I think that was it, y'all. But right now, I'm actually about to go to the bowling alley. My sister called me. She wanted to do something, so I guess we about to go to the bowling alley. So that's where I'm about to head to right now to do something, get out the house, do something fun. So I'm gonna go to the bowling alley, y'all. So that's what we about to do. I'm at my sister's house right now. So this is where the kids are gonna be. We're gonna drop the kids off here. So yeah. But I just left the store. I got Brooklyn and Cairo some snacks. So while they're here, they have something to snack on. So yeah, and I just grabbed me. Let me show y'all what I got me. I got my go-to Snicker bar. I love a Snicker bar. Any chocolate with nuts, that's like my go-to. So I got a Snicker bar, and then I got this big old, what you call this, Slim Jim? I got this big old Slim Jim, and I always get the Savage one, the big size. The bigger the better. So I got that. And this the kids. They must have picked that up. And they got more candy. And then I just got a vitamin water. The kids' stuff is in the house. So probably not gonna show y'all that because their stuff is in the house. But yeah, that's what I got for me to snack on. I'm gonna take me a little sip. If y'all hear kids out here screaming, that's the kids. They out here running around. So yeah. But we about to go in a minute. I'm just waiting on them to finish getting ready. What? I gave you your candy. Where your candy? Hold on, I'm coming. Where your candy at? Tell her to give you your candy. Go get your candy. Huh? You about to go bowling. I gotta go use the bathroom. I don't even know why I'm sitting in this car right now. And we still waiting on people to get ready. I really just wanted to do my little clip right quick. My little video. It was too noisy in there, so I just came outside. That's really why I'm out here. But let me get out of here because I gotta use the bathroom. Yeah. I'm vlogging. You can pass anybody. Damn. I'm in the lead. I'm in the lead for now. She coming back. She only trying to help me. She trying to win.
Julius, it's your turn. Go, it's your turn. Womp, womp, womp.
Oh,
She sucked.
great. Okay, so this is the score, y'all. I got 40. I was in the lead. All right, Raven, let's go.
Yes, it is, girl. Go.
Go, Raven, go, Raven, go. Go, Raven, go, Raven, go.
That was dangerous.
You know you doing that shit on purpose, right? Well, y'all, I was in the lead, but I'm not in the lead no more. It might be because I'm hungry. And I don't got no energy.
Because I'm hungry.
My appetite kicked in. Yeah. Okay, December.
December, you about to pass her now with these.
So December got 29.
December.
She in last place. Who in last place? December. Who in last place? You're not gonna win. Oh.
You're out. Go ahead and put your shoes on.
Talking all that shit.
Go ahead and put your shoes
And he got to record me too. I'm up next.
She did. Ride with me.
All right, y'all, so it's a new day, and right now we're about to head to my mom's gravesite to decorate it for Easter. So that's where we're about to head to. So yeah, and I just picked up an energy drink because I needed some energy, y'all. I was so tired, so I just got me an energy drink.
All you gotta do is get in with me. Residential leaving the club, we ain't stopping at no light.
Ooh, she got teddy bear. I don't know where to put them. Like, I know where to put them.
Who came up with this idea?
Alexis.
Smart, creative. Clock it.
Like it.
Now you can't take in that cup, right?
The other one we had
So for those of you who do not know, my mom has 11 kids, so that's what these little bunnies represent. So as y'all can see, it has all of our names on it. So yeah, and then we got the little mommy bunny in the middle, so that's what it represents. How cute is that, y'all? It's so cute. And it's like Easter, so got the little bunnies. So it is a new day. Huh? So it is a new day. We about to head out. I gotta go to the store to pick up a few things for the house. So I got my list in here. So I always write down what I need when I go to the store, because if I don't, I'm gonna end up forgetting something, end up getting extra stuff that I don't need. So it's always mandatory that I write down what I need. So I gotta get some stuff for the house. I gotta get some hygiene items for me and the kids. They need toothpaste, new toothbrushes. That's my So I need to get that. And then I also want to get me like a little coloring book or like a word search or something. Yeah, so like when I'm around the house like doing nothing, I can have something to do, something to focus on, so my mind won't be racing too much. So I'm gonna try to find like a grown-up coloring book or like a word search or something like that. Because if I'm home like doing nothing, that's when my mind starts to wander. Like my mind be everywhere. So I think a coloring book would help, or a word search, or just something to do, some kind of activity, like a big girl activity that I can do at home when I'm not doing nothing. So yeah, we about to go. Y'all ready? So we're gonna go to Dollar Tree first, one of our favorite stores. Betty's on a budget. Hey girls. Y'all, this weather been showing out. Get Brooklyn and Cairo one. They got another girl one.
Oh, my one.
Oh, y'all got, just get the same one. Oh, y'all got the same one? Is it the same?
Yeah. Yeah.
Just get it. It don't matter. All right. Let's see. Let me get some of these.
What about you?
Right there around the corner. Okay. Alright, y'all, so this is everything that I got. So I got a towel, new shower curtain because I want to do my bathroom over. Got the liner. I got some paper towels, wash rags. I got the kids some toothpaste. I got them some toothbrushes. I got this for Brooklyn, Cairo, and I got Carmen this little electric toothbrush. But it's soft. So I got her little Barbie toothbrush. Cleaning stuff, gloves, Brillo pads, trash bags. Then I got this for the kids to put their crayons and stuff in. So I got them some more crayons. And then I got this. I got this for me. And that's pretty much it. Okay. Brooklyn got her cup. Cairo got his cup. Carmen, where you at? Carmen, where you at? They've been feeling bad, y'all. Cairo, you got your shoes on the wrong foot. Let me see. Show them your cup. Show them your cup. You like it?
Yeah.
So you can drink your juice. Where your cup? You like your cup?
Mama, I want.
So whenever y'all thirsty, y'all can just drink out of those.